Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal, and today we have a RC Dinosaur shooting toy from EagleStone. So let's open it up and see everything that we get inside. So right away there is a battery with a charger. You do have to use a charging block from like a cell phone, laptop, desktop, something like that. And you get your 1, 2, and a whole bunch of shooting balls, which Aiden is very excited about. A whole bunch of shooting balls in there. Then we open it up and we get the dinosaur, get the remote, screwdriver, and then the instructions. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here, so let's go through it one by one. Aiden's ready for the gun. Okay, so that is your dinosaur. And then this is his tail section. So basically when you're shooting the balls in, this is how you get the balls out. So that fits on there like that. And that's the dinosaur. Okay, so it comes with a small Phillips head screwdriver. And then this is how you get, I know we're getting to him. Yeah. So there's a little set screw in the back. You open this up and we put 2 AA batteries into that. Not included. And we lock that down. That's your little remote. Dinosaur noises not included. Okay, and then on the bottom of this, we have a compartment. Open that up. Are you ready? And once you get that unscrewed, you open that up. After you've charged the battery for like an hour, you want to hook it in here. And there's one way to put this in here, so you'll hear it kind of fit in and click. So we'll put that compartment back on. Close that up. And then we'll put that little set screw down. Now it does have a mister, which I believe comes out of this part here. So what you want to do is you want to open this part of the top of his nose, and then you're going to have a little stopper there, and then you take a eyedropper full of water, and then you put it in here. Yeah, it'll come out. Then we put that little water plug back in, and then we just click that on there like that. And it has a couple different modes. So it has the, basically, let's turn that on. Oh, power switch is at the bottom, so we'll turn that on. And then the balls, you want to load these. Basically just want to load them through the front here. Okay. And then basically once you have that in there, kind of give you an idea how it loads. So we'll throw a couple more in there. I know you want to shoot this. Okay, you want to try it? You're going to pull it out like this. Okay. And then so in static mode, you want to play with that one? I'll load this one up. Pretty neat. Okay, so in this mode, what you're doing is you basically want to shoot in there. So that's how it scores. Yeah, it's his tongue, that's what keeps score. So every time you hit it, it misses out. Really cool. Then in power mode, so it works better on a smoother surface, but you get the idea how that works. So you can have some fun target practice. Can you do it? Go ahead. So then you have a moving target. Pretty cool. And then if you sit and hold this button for a quick second, that'll turn music on and off for you. Go ahead. Anyway, that turns the power off, that switch, and then at the back, any of the balls that he has eaten will come out through the back, and then you're good to reload and go again. Anyway, Brian Aiden from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there. You did good? Say bye. Or you can do that.